We understand the nomenclature of elements more than 100, atomic number more than 100. Nomenclature of element with atomic number greater than 100. First of all, we have to understand the notation utilized for 0 to 9 digit 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. If 0 is present, then we have to use nil. If 1 is there, then un. If 2 is there, then by. If 3 is there, then try. 4 fifth, pent. 4 6 heads. 4 7 set. 4 8 oct. And for 9 it double n, and we have to utilize. These are the notation utilized for 0 to 9 digit. Also one more rule we have to follow, that is, if by plus em is present, then it is written as biome or simply bm. Same way, tri plus em, then it is written as a trium. And n plus nil, it is shortened as nil. After writing this notation, how to write the nomenclature of element with atomic number Z is equal to more than 100, that we are going to understand. Element atomic number 101. Then symbol. Before we write symbol, notation. What is notation useful? For 101, for 1, we have un. Plus 0 means nil. Please again 1 means un. Plus I to n means we can write notation to be on nil un em. But simply it is written as symbol. Symbol utilizes u and u. So we can say the IUPAC nomenclature of element 101 atomic number is U and U. Now for 102, first we will write for 1, that is on, plus for 0 nil, plus 2 by, plus em. But by and em is written as biome or biome. So the name will be on nil biome or biome. On nil biome, and it is written as U and B. So this is the symbol, IUPAC symbol for element number 102. Now for 103, first of all on plus nil plus 3 is there, that is why try, and in the last em. So the name will be on nil try em, but as I told you that it should be written as simply trium. So on nil trium, and the symbol will be U and T. So this will be the symbol for 103 atomic number. Now we understand next element. 104. 104. 1 that is un, 0 nil plus 4. We have to use quad plus em. So the name will be on nil quadium. On nil quadium. And the symbol will be U and Q. Symbol will be U and Q. Element number 105. On plus nil plus for 5 we have pent plus em. Therefore the name will be on nil pentium and the symbol will be U and P. Now for element number 106. Element number 106. On plus nil plus for the 6 we have to use hex plus IUM. So name will be on nil hexium. On nil hexium and the symbol will be UNH. Now after 106 for 107. On plus nil plus for 7 we have sept plus em. So the name will be on nil septium. On nil septium and the symbol is UNS. UNS. Now for 108. On plus nil plus for 8 oct plus em. So the name will be on nil octium and the symbol will be UNO. Now for 109 element, Z is equal to 109. On plus nil plus for 9 we have N plus em. So the name will be on nil Nium and the symbol will be UNE. Symbol will be UNE. Now for element number 110, atomic number 110, on for 1 on, again on, plus for 0 we have nil plus em. So the name will be on nilium and the symbol will be UUN. Now we will understand the nomenclature of 111. Atomic number 111. Element with atomic number Z is equal to 111. For 1 again we have on plus un plus em. So the name will be onium. Onium and the symbol will be UUU. So atomic number 111 has the symbol UUU. Same way for 112 atomic number we have on, again for 1 on, and for 2 we have bi plus em. But for bium, as I mentioned, we will write on bium, on bium, and the symbol will be UUB. Symbol will be UUB. Now for 113 element, on plus tri plus YUIUM. So on trium. On trium as I mentioned that trium, TRI plus IUM should be written as TRIUM. That is why untrium. And the symbol will be UUT. Symbol will be UUT. 114 element. Un plus un. Plus for 4 we have quad. Plus eum. So the name will be unquadium. Unquadium. And the symbol will be UUQ. Symbol will be UUQ. Now for element number 115. 115. Element number 115. We can write on plus un plus pent plus eum. So the name will be on pentium. On pentium. And the symbol will be UUP. Symbol will be UUP. Now element number 116. On plus un. On plus un. Plus for the 6 we have hex plus eum. Therefore the name will be on hexium. On hexium. And the symbol will be UUH. UUH. Element number 117. 117. On plus un. Plus for the 7 we have set. Plus IUM. So we will get the name on septium. On septium. And the symbol will be UUS. Now for element 118, 119 and 120. The symbols and name will be 118 on plus un. Plus for 8 we have oct plus eum. So the name will be on octium. On octium. So symbol is UUO. Element number 119 on plus un. Plus for 9 we have N plus eum. So the name is on ennium. And the symbol will be UUE. Symbol will be UUE. For element number 120, on plus. For 2 we have bi. For 0 we have nil. Plus IUM. So the name will be on binilium. On binilium. And the symbol will be UBN. UBN. So this is about the nomenclature of element with atomic number greater than 100.